Tallow is an amazing fat and it can be used for a lot of different things, from cooking to lubrication. Baby, warm up that tallow, I'm feeling frisky tonight. Today I'm using it to make soap. And if you don't know how to make tallow, check out this video. Why I like using tallow for soap? If your butcher's chill, you can probably get the fat for free or cheap. It's easy to work with, it's predictable, it takes colors and scents well. Honestly though, tallow's so good for you, it's almost a waste to be using for soap. Alright, recipe is down below in the description. First weigh out your lye, and then your water. First add your lye to your water. It doesn't even matter the order you do it in. Then weigh out that tallow. And like I said, we're doing 100% tallow, so all we need is tallow, lye, and water. Add your lye water into your tallow, hit it with the stick blender, and you'll notice right away it turns this nice, rich, creamy color, which I love because it colors so much better than using vegetable oils and seed oils, which turn everything yellow. Now, I'm splitting this batch into 3 to do 3 different colors, and I know I've been back and forth on pre-mixing micas, I should say completely against it, but now I understand the value. If you're doing multiple colors, pre-mixing it will save you a lot of time, and it's valuable time because it's when the soap is tracing. So if you want to do intricate pores, pre-mixing is a good idea. There, I said it. I was wrong. Are you happy now? Me? How am I doing? I'm doing okay. Thanks for asking. If you like the video or the channel, subscribe, like, hit those notifications. All right, so I'm just doing blobs all over the place. I guess call it an experiment. And then I hit it with the old chopstick, tried, tested and true. All right, so like I said, I love tallow. It hardens up really quick. This I unwrapped after a day. It took the colors well, it cuts great, it holds scents well, and it's a great oil. It makes a really good soap. It's moisturizing, it's gentle, it's smooth and conditioning. What more can I say about tallow? Other than its availability, hit up that butcher, get the free fat, render it down, make the tallow, make the soap.